Hello students, in last video we saw the subset. Now quick recall what is subset. What is subset? Subset, so a set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. In other words, all the elements of A is in B or vice versa. So A subset B. So if we write A subset B, then what does it mean? That all the elements of A are in B. Okay? And how can we denote it is a subset of? So this is the symbol. This is the symbol of is a subset of A is a subset of B. And if we have to denote subset not, then just put the cut on it. So this is how we can denote is a subset of and is not a subset of. Okay. So now with example we will see about subset. Okay. Now consider the set phi A is equal to 1, 3, B is equal to 1, 5, 9, C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So insert the symbol. Subset is a subset of or is not a subset of between each of the following pair. So this is the question. These all are the pair which you have given, and you have given this much set. So first is phi A, B, C, and all the elements are there. Okay, now you have to write phi is dash of B, A dash B, A dash C, and B dash C. Okay, so now I told you in previous video that empty set phi is a subset of each and every set. Phi is a subset of each and every set. So you have to write phi is a subset of B. Similarly, A dash B. Now see A has two elements which is 1, 3. Now B, CB 1, 5, 9. Now A has 3 but B does not have 3. So A is not a subset of B because condition is જે પહેલાંનો સેટ હોય તમારો, જે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જે અહીંયા પહેલાંનો સેટ હોય એના each and every element આ સેકન્ડ સેટમાં હોવા જ જોઈએ કમ્પલસરી. each and every element. Okay, so now A dash C. So A 1, 3, C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now see, 1, 3 is there in C or not? Yes. A has 1, 1. A has 3, 3. Okay, 3. So A is a subset of C. We can see this. A is a subset of C. We can say this. Okay. Why? Because all the elements of A is present in C. All the elements of A present in C. That's why we can say A is a subset of C. Now B dash C. B dash C. So B is a subset of C. First of all, 1, 5, 9. Now see in your set C, you have 1, 5, 9. Yes, 1 is here. 5, okay, 5 is here. 9, yes, 9 is here. So you can say that B is a subset of C. Okay, and always remember one thing, that phi, which is empty set, is the subset of each set. Okay, I hope you understood this example. Now another example, which is let A is equal to AEIOU and B is equal to ABCD. Is A is a subset of B? Is A is a subset of B? No. Why? you have to write why. A, E, I, O, U. A is a subset of B or not? A is not a subset of B. Okay, but why? Because here A, E, I, O, U, here A, B, C, D. So all the elements of A is not present in B. All the elements of A is not present in B. That's why. Same question, same set have another question. Is B a subset of A? All the element of B is present in A or not? So it is also answer as no. Why? Because all the elements of B is not present in A. B is equal to A, B, C, D and A is equal to A, I, O, U. So all the elements of A does not present in B and all the elements of B is not present in A. Okay? I hope you understood. Now another example, let A, B, C 3 set. Okay, we have given total 3 set, which is A, B and C. Okay, consider these 3 sets A, B and C. Now if A belongs to B, A belongs to B and B is subset of C. Now these two has a different scenario. So belongs to means A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If here we have also curly braces, then we can say that A belongs to B. Okay, A belongs to B. Now let A belongs to B. So now from example we have to see this. A belongs to B and B is a subset of C. Is it true that A belongs to C? A belongs to B. Condition is what? Read it carefully. A belongs to B and B is subset of C. So it is true that A subset of C. So if not, give an example. So first of all, let's take one example. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 2 and C is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you have to denote the element belongs to element, then you have to write in curly braces. Right now here A belongs to B, we can see this. A belongs to B, whole A is in B. Okay, A belongs to B and B 1, 2. So 1, curly braces is there, so read it carefully. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can say that 1, 2 in curly braces 1 and 2 in curly braces 1 and 2. So we can say that B is a subset of C. Okay, up to here it is true. B is a subset of C, but you have to prove that these two conditions, then A is a subset of C. આપણો આન્સર શું આવ્યો? નો. જો આ બંને ટ્રુ હોય તો A subset C નહીં થાય. આન્સર ઇઝ નો. So now you have to prove with the example. Now see, A is a subset of C. A is a subset of C. A is 1 and C is equal to 1, 2, 3. But A is not a subset of C. Why? Why is not a subset of C? Because 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A. But 1 does not belongs to C. But 1 does not belongs to C. So this is how we can represent our subset. Okay. Now another example. Now we have taken our exercise 1.3 question number 1. Our exercise 1.3 question number 1. Okay. Now 2, 3, 4 dash 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to just write subset or not a subset of. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 is a subset of. Now A, B, C, B, C, D. Now ABC is not a subset of BCD. Why? Because all the elements of this particular set is not present in this particular set. Only B and C is there. A is not there. That's why we have to write is not a subset of. Okay, now for all X is a student of class 11 of your school dash student of your school. So class 11 student of your school is a subset of the student of your school. In this set, all the students are there from class 1 to class 12, right? So class 11 is also in it. So we can say that class 11 student is a subset of the student of your school. Okay. Now, X is a circle in the plane. Is a dash, X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Now X is a circle in the plane. So in whichever place circle is there, okay, in plane. Now here told you that is a subset of or not is a circle in the same plane with radius unit. No, because if radius 1 unit, only this one, okay. રેડિયસ 1 યુનિટ લઈને આપણે સર્કલ ડ્રો કરીએ તો ઓકે એક સર્કલ બને. પણ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ નેસેસરી ધેટ સર્કલ ઇન ધ પ્લેન ઇઝ અ સબસેટ ઓફ ધીસ. Both are different. It may be possible that both are different. So is not a subset of with radius 1 unit. Okay. Now X is a triangle in a plane. Dash X is a rectangle in the plane. So it's not a subset. Triangle in the plane and rectangle in the plane, okay. So it's not a subset. Same, X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Dash X is a triangle in the same plane. Now X is an equilateral triangle means, what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? The triangle in which all the three sides are equal, right? All the three sides are equal, then we can say it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So, and yes, in familiar geometry, Euclidean geometry, an equilateral triangle is also equiangular. Means equiangular means all have similar angular 60 60 60. Okay. So you have to tell that this equilateral triangle is dash, and for all X is a triangle in the same plane. Okay. So equilateral, I hope you understood the meaning of equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal, all the sides are equal, and all the all the angle are also equal in familiar Euclidean geometry. In simple terms, in general terms, sides are equal, but if we talk about familiar Euclidean geometry, then we can say the angular is also same, right? So now you have to tell that dash X is a triangle in the same plane. So yes, it's a subset of triangle in the same plane. Plane is same, okay, same plane. So if you draw one equilateral triangle and triangle in the same plane, if you draw bigger triangle, okay, in same plane, then also it is possible that this is subset of your triangle in the same plane. Okay. Similarly, next is X is an even natural number, dash X is an integer. So even natural number means 2, 4, 6 up to so on, and X is an integer means our integer our integer set, which is 0, 1, 2, -1, -2 up to so on. Now even natural number is also a part of this. Obvious thing, even natural number is also a part of this. So we can say that even natural number is subset of this. Okay. Just remember one thing, don't get confused, that your first part has the elements, okay, some elements. So all the elements of your first set have compulsory present in this second set, each and every part. Okay. So here even natural number, which is 2, 4, 6, and our integer which is 0, 1, 2 up to dash dash, 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to dash dash. So 2, 4, 6 is also present in this. So we can say that even natural number is a subset of integer. Okay. Now you have to tell true or false. Okay. AB is not a subset of BCA. It's a false because AB is a subset of BCA. AB, what is your statement? AB is not a subset of BCA, but it is false. Why? Because AB is a subset of BCA. Because AB is there. AB, order doesn't matter, but AB is there. All the element of your first set present in second. That's why. Now AE is a subset of vowel in English alphabet. True. Because English alphabet vowel is A-E-I-O-U. So all the element of your first set is present in second set. Okay, so this is true. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. Wrong. Why? Because we don't have 2 here. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 is there, but 2 we don't have. So it is false. Okay. A is a subset of ABC. Yes, it is true. Why it is true? Because it has only one element, which is A, and here also we have A. So all the element of your first present in your second set. Now A belongs to ABC. A belongs to ABC. False. Why? Because elements of ABC are A, B and C. Therefore, what we have to write? A is a subset of ABC. We have to write in this way. Belongs to is not a correct sign. You have the correct sign is subset of ABC. Okay. In this way we can represent our subset. In short, you have to remember one thing, that all the element of your first set compulsory present in your second set. Okay. In this way we can represent is a subset of or is not a subset of. Okay. I hope you understood.